Hi friends, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Nikki, and today I am filming a totally unexpected video. I wasn't expecting to give you guys an update so soon, but every time something changes with my body as I keep taking these supplements, I'm like, I need to tell my friends. So if you're new and this is the first time you're ever seeing one of my Halo Beauty videos, please pause this one and go and watch the first two updates. I did an update at week 3 and then week 4, because in those updates I go into detail about what's happening then. So I feel like you need to watch those first and then come back and watch this one. So this is the week 5 update. I am officially done with this entire bottle. Well, I have 2 more, so I need to take it for today. And then, yeah, so I'm going to tell you what's going on, but I just want to say that first. If you haven't seen any of my other Halo Beauty, not booty, beauty videos, pause this one. I'll leave a link to the playlist down below. Go and watch those first in order. Watch week 3, week 4. Now I'm at week 5. Friends, the reason I'm saying this is an unexpected video, I was expecting to update you guys like once a month, like month 1, month 2, month 3. But as I told you in the last update videos, like things are just happening and I'm just like, I have to tell my internet friends. We're at week 5. So remember at week 4, because you've seen that video, right? At week 4, I was like, my skin looks like shit. I think that was the title of the video. It was, my boyfriend was like, isn't that a little dramatic? I was like, no, it's not. My skin looked like crap. And I showed you guys close-ups of that. And a lot of people in the comments, oh my God, I'm so glad I didn't listen to some people. They were like, you should stop taking it. If you know biotin doesn't work for you, just don't take it. Just give it up. That's how I hear them in my like head, like just annoying, like stop taking it. And I was like, no, I don't want to stop taking it. I want to keep going and I want to see how my body's going to react. And I'm so grateful I did not stop. These pills are freaking amazing. So, and this all happened within the last week. And the main reason I didn't stop is because I told you guys in that last update, I love the other benefits. Even though my skin was breaking out, my nails are so strong. My hair, the bald spots I have, I get TMI here on this channel. I talk about periods, stretch marks, bald spots. That's just how I am. I keep it real with you guys. My bald spots were filling in. So I was like, you know, all of these benefits are really good. I don't want to stop taking it. You guys, my skin has done a complete 180. So all the breakouts that I was getting, and I know this is from the biotin. I haven't really changed anything else. I've stopped taking all other supplements when I started taking this. The breakouts that I had all along the jawline within these last 7 days are totally gone, just disappeared. And a couple of you commented and said maybe it's just your skin getting rid of the bad stuff. And I think that's what it was. Finally, the supplements were in my bloodstream, in my system, and it was just like getting rid of all the bad stuff. And maybe it was a little hormonal too, but I know a lot of it was the supplements. But now my skin has never been so soft and so moisturized in my entire life, ever. I told you guys about 6 or 7 months ago, I got a chemical peel for the first time. And let me give you a little background. My whole life, my skin has been extremely oily, extremely oily. I got the chemical peel, and for the first time, my skin was just normal, not oily at all. It kind of freaked me out for like months. I was like, where's my oils? Why aren't they coming back? This isn't like me. Did this chemical peel change my skin forever? Since I've taken these, just this last week, all those breakouts have cleared up. My skin has never felt so moisturized without being super oily in my entire life, ever. I do have like one-off little zits, but all those breakouts that I showed you before are gone. Like this one, I had a little zit here and a little zit here, but they come and then they go. It's like literally a day. My nails are still so strong. They're not growing. These are my real nails. You can see them. I showed you guys when I started taking these. You'll see this in the first update video. I cut off all my nails because I wanted to see how my nails grew, if they were strong. They're not growing like weeds, right? They're growing normal, but they are so strong. No breaks, no cracks in an entire month. That has never happened to me in my entire life. My nails always break, they always chip, nothing. These things are like freaking metal. It's amazing. My hair is still, this is a wig, by the way. I always link my wigs down below. But I showed you in the first update video how my bald spots were filling in. That's still happening. And now I feel like my skin has finally caught up. These things are like magic in a bottle. Now remember, everybody reacts differently. So you may take it and you may break out and your breakouts may never go away. I took it. At first my skin was great. Then it broke out. Now I feel like my skin is just like the best it's looked in my entire life. My nails are amazing. My hair is growing. I really like these. I've already reordered another bottle. I'll leave a link to it down below. I really like these. I'm telling you, I was not expecting to update you guys again, but every time something changes, I feel like I should tell you because a lot of you want to know what's going on. So that's my week 5 update. I am in love with those freaking supplements. I've already reordered. My plan now is to only update you every month. So when we get to like month 2, month 3, but I don't know if something else happens, like if I start breaking out again, or if I have to stop taking them, I'll update you guys. But oh my God, I love you. I don't even care I got makeup on it. I love you. I love these things. I love them. I love them. I love them. I love you. I bow down to the Tati goddess for blessing me with some of the best skin, hair, and nails I've had. It took a while. I broke out a little bit, but now I feel amazing. So that's my 5-week update. I just thought I had to tell you guys because it's done a complete 180, my skin, and I'm so grateful. So that's my update. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. I know a lot of you are taking Halo Beauty also, so let me know in the comments. I'm really curious how long you've been taking it and what results you have or you don't have. Are you breaking out? Are you not? Is your skin great? Are your nails great? How's your hair doing? Let me know because I read and respond to every comment. My channel is small enough right now where I can do that. I know it's going to get to a point, hopefully soon, where I grow that I won't be able to respond to everyone. That's not what I'm hoping for. I mean, I want to respond to all of you, but I'm hoping that we grow. So right now my channel is like my little, you guys are like my friends. So I love talking to you guys. So let me know your results down below, but I love it. I love it. I love it. I love you. I love you. I love you. So let's jump into some product reviews. If you're new around here, at the end of all of my videos, I update you guys on products I've been trying, whether I love them, don't love them, whether they're great, not so great. So let's jump into it. All of these products I've been using for a while now. First up, I mentioned stretch marks. As you can tell, I ripped this thing open because I was so excited. This is the Volition Eucalyptus Stretch Mark Minimizer. So I've been using this for about a week now. I'll show you some before photos. I want to use it for a full month before I give you like this is great or not, I notice a difference or not. I have stretch marks. I've showed you guys, I've shown you, and I think I've talked about it on my chest because my chests were very large at a very young age. So I have a lot of stretch marks all over my chest. It sucks, but at one day, eventually, I would like to get them lasered because you can get stretch marks, you can get laser treatment to make them less apparent. I'd really like to do that because what I do now is I put makeup on them if I want to show cleavage. So I've been trying this out. So far, so good. It has a very strong, it's like eucalyptus and menthol smell. It's very interesting. And when you put it on, it's kind of like a, not tingling, but a mild like cooling sensation. Even when you put it on your hand, it's very strong smelling, friends. It actually smells kind of medicated, but I don't care because if it's gonna make my stretch marks less apparent, then I'm gonna use it. So I've been using it every day. I will keep you guys posted. It just soaks into the skin really nicely. I put it on after I shower, so I will keep you posted. You can pick that brand up at Sephora, which is pretty cool, or yeah, at Sephora. I'll leave a link to it down below. What else do I want to tell you about? Next up, Skyn Iceland. You guys know I love Skyn Iceland. I have a bunch of their stuff here. This is their mud mask. It's like a 2-step process. I've been using this. I love it. I've used their rubber mask. I did a full review video on that. If you haven't seen it, I'll leave a link to it down below. I love that rubber mask and it's super cool. It's like putty almost. It's really cool. This is their, I love Skyn Iceland. I told you guys this. You can pick Skyn Iceland up at Ulta. This is their Icelandic Relief Eye Cream with glacial flower extracts. Let me show you what it looks like. It's kind of got like a whipped texture and you need very little of it and you put it on. I put it on under my eyes. I love it. This is from Skyn Iceland too. This is their the Antidote Cooling Daily Lotion with Icelandic kelp and white willow bark. This stuff is awesome. It feels like you're storing this in the refrigerator and you just put it on your skin. It's cooling. I feel like it firms my skin because it's it's cooling, and it has like a very spa, like chill kind of vibe. I love it. It's very relaxing and moisturizing. Next up, from Gerard Cosmetics, we have their Bright Express Teeth Whitening System. I've been showing this to you guys in my last couple of videos. I'll show you clips of how you use it. Basically, you take the whitening serum, you put it in the little mouth guard thing, then you put the mouth guard thing in your mouth, you put the blue light up to your mouth, and you hold it like that for 30 minutes. It does work. I'm not sure how long lasting this will be because it's really affordable. I told you guys I've professionally had my teeth whitened before. That was like $600 or $500 at the dentist, but it lasted an entire year. So I did notice, I'll show you before and after photos. It does whiten my teeth. I'm just not sure how long lasting it'll be. And FYI, a friend from me to you, I told you we get TMI personal here. You will drool if you do this, so you need a towel nearby because you will drool a lot. I drooled a lot and I almost threw up. I hate drooling. I can't stand drooling. Next up from Clarins, we have their Instant Light Lip Balm Perfector. This is in the shade Hot Pink. I love this. It gives me, to me, it doesn't, on my skin tone, it does not look pink. It looks like a light coral color, and it's very moisturizing without being super oily, and I love it because I have super, super dry lips. So I'll put this on like 10 minutes before I do my lip gloss or my lipstick, and it just does a really good job of moisturizing my lips. And lastly, from Kiko Milano, we have their Free Soul eyeliner, and this is the lavender shade. I wonder if they have this in black. Let me show you how creamy it is. Look at that. For you guys, it's probably gonna look white, but it is this lavender color, same color as the pencil. Why is my camera not focusing? There we go. Yeah. So it is actually lavender. It's really nice, really creamy. It applies really nicely. I really like it a lot. Is there anything else I wanted to tell you about? I told you about Skyn Iceland, Clarins, Kiko, Gerard, okay, and Volition. That's it for me, friends. Let me know in the comments down below if you're taking Halo Beauty, how it's working for you. I'm always curious. Do you know, I haven't watched anybody else's Halo videos. I don't want to be like skewed by their opinion. I don't want to know what they're going through. I only want to tell you guys what's happening to me. So I haven't seen a single Halo review video. The only Halo videos I've watched are Tati's. That's the creator of Halo Beauty. That's it. I haven't watched anybody else's. So if you're using it, let me know what's happening with you. That is it from me. Hopefully you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe. If you subscribe, hit the bell next to the subscribe button. That means that you'll get notified of all new uploads. Give this video a thumbs up. Check out the videos on the screen, and I will see you soon. Ciao.